Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily pair your Teufel Real headphones with your Windows PC or laptop. So, at first we have to do the right click on this Windows logo on the bottom of our screen and click Settings. Now we have to enter the Bluetooth and devices and here click Add Device. Now we have to tap at Bluetooth here, and here now we have to turn on our headphones with this power button here. Then we have to double click the power button to enter pairing mode, and our device should appear here in a moment. As you can see, Teufel Real below. We have to click that. And now it may take a while, don't worry. As you can see, all done now. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.